In this video, you'll learn how to build an app on Base44. This guide will take you through the steps needed to create your own application using the Base44 platform. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional app based on your ideas or a template. Start by navigating to the Base44 website, open a web browser, and enter the URL for Base44 in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of Base44 website. Ensure that the page is fully loaded before proceeding to the next step. Next, you will need to describe your app idea. Look for a prompt or text box that invites you to enter your concept. This section is designed to help you clarify your thoughts. If you are unsure, consider browsing through existing templates for inspiration. Make sure to take your time to think about what you want to create. After you have conceptualized your app idea, type in what kind of app you want to build. This input will guide the platform in generating relevant suggestions. You should see options or suggestions based on your input appear on the screen. Review these suggestions carefully to find a direction that resonates with your vision. Once you've typed in your app idea, click on the Ideas button to get started. This action will take you to a new screen where you can explore various app ideas generated by the platform. It is important to wait for the new content to load completely before moving forward. You may choose to select an idea that appeals to you. Click on the option labeled Choose an Idea if you wish to explore a specific suggestion further. After clicking, look for a confirmation message or a change in the interface that indicates you have successfully selected an app idea. Continue by clicking on any idea that suits you best. This will lead you to a detailed view of that particular app concept. Ensure that you are viewing the correct details before proceeding, as this will be the basis for your app's development. To start building your app, click on the Enter button associated with the example you have chosen. This action will initiate the app building process. You should see a loading indicator or a transition screen as the platform prepares the development environment for you. Next, explore the templates available from the community by clicking on Explore Templates. This will display a variety of options that other users have created. Take your time to browse through these templates, as they can provide valuable insights and shortcuts for your app development. Once you have reviewed the templates, click on View All Templates to access the complete list. This section will present you with a wide array of choices. Make sure to scroll through the options to find one that aligns with your project goals. After selecting a template, click on View Details to examine the chosen template more closely. This will show you the features and functionalities of the template. It is essential to understand what is included in the template before finalizing your choice. Now click on Use Template to begin the process of integrating it into your project. This action will initiate the creation of your app based on the selected template. You should receive a confirmation that your app has been created from the template of your choosing. Finally, you will see the message indicating that your app was created successfully. This confirmation will likely include a link to the app dashboard where you can begin customizing and developing your application further. Ensure that you take note of this information, as it will be crucial for your next steps. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.